Because my hair fully blow dried out. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get to parting and braiding. Ooh. Ooh. Give me the strength.
Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me.
So I decided to not record this long, almost day process worth of braiding. But I did leave 2 little parts left, so I'm gonna do those on camera. But these braids came out so cute. There's pink, brown, there's a white strip somewhere. There you go. I'm gonna do my edges different today. And then this half for now, we're gonna finish these little, knock these 2 braids out. So I put some curl, some of my curl gel in there, so that way it grabs into the, let me look in my mirror. But that way it grabs onto the hair. This is literally the only thing that will hold my hair down. Nothing else, not even that braid. Alright? I'm going to be getting up multiple times to grab my braiding hair. But that's what I'm getting ready to do.
Your fantasy, I won't push too hard to break your heart. 'Cause my love's sincere, I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears. So just call me whenever you're lonely.
So I got my braid going here.
I could be your homie. You should make me your girl. That you need, then baby, come and share mine.
Before I start doing my last braid, I'm gonna go boil some water. And I told you these are butt length, so these are super long. And I still have to curl my ends. But they are adorable, and they will be staying in for a very long time because what did Gorilla say? They are half and half. It's just brown and then there's a pink underlay. I think I already said that, but we gonna say it again. The pink isn't bohemian. This is how they look, but I still have one more, obviously. I'm gonna go boil the water, but like, okay, ignore my edges because they're gonna be super fly. Yeah.
What did he say?
I'm back on the last and final braid. Oh my gosh. This is just crazy how long this took. Y'all, I've been in this chair for a day. Well, not a day. I started washing my hair at 8 o'clock. Y'all.
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
And then I didn't get done with that until like 10 itself. So I just did a whole shift in this chair. My whole day off. Dedicated to my hair. But now I don't have to do my hair. Cause it's done. I was tired of doing my real hair. I love my real hair. Shout out to me for getting it together, but doing it every week when these you can just style them in 30 seconds. Like what? Okay, so I really just spent my whole day on this chair. But it had to get done someday. That way I can, oil it easy. Ooh. Get my hair growing while it looks good. I'm gonna do my edges all cute and purty. And I bought some hair stuff as well. I need a towel. Okay, so the one thing I'm not doing with these is putting it in a ponytail because woo child, come on, like look at the other side, like, bam, this is too cute. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to go dip them and curl the ends and all that good stuff. So okay, I went ahead and did my ends already, so sorry, but I went ahead and already heat dipped them. I dipped them in some hot water, and then I went ahead and put some mousse over them, as long as some spritz, and then another like set of mousse. So now I'm getting ready to wrap my top and get these baby hairs out the way. That way we could go ahead and press them and lay them. So first I'm actually gonna try to lay these baby hairs down. I got my mousse. I'm just gonna, barely put stuff in there. We're just gonna lay them down like that.
You should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. We'll call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low.
But once we lay those down, got that out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and mousse my scalp and cover it with a scarf. That's why we got the baby hairs out the way. Oh, we need a lot. Y'all, this really looked like a freaking lace front. Like, what the heck? Okay, so now that we got that out the way, we're gonna spray some of this sheen spray. Then we're gonna lay the scarf on for about 5-10 minutes. You could also heat it if you would like, but I'm not gonna do that just for a simple fact. I'm gonna let the time pass by in another way. So I will be back once I'm ready to go ahead and take at this point, I'm laying my wig. But no, for real, I'll be back once I'm ready to go ahead and pop this off. And I'll come back with my baby edges already curled. That way I can style them or whatnot. No, I'm not going to style them on here. I'm going to come back with my final look. So I'll see y'all in a minute. So this is the final result. I kind of styled it real quick, but oh my gosh, I love it.
You look pretty. Just pretty.
And then my edges are, I try to make this look like a little lace, a wig, and it's giving. Well, not all of it, but these baby hairs is mine, Sunny. Mine's. They're laid. Oh, okay, so yeah. So thanks for watching my channel, and hopefully you learned a few things off me today. And yeah, I'm about to go take pictures. Bye, y'all.